and a direct hit. That'll have to go upstairs, I think. Multan feel they've got their man. Alongside the pitch, and this decision's going to be OUT out. So Dermody, who didn't really do much damage while he was there, he's gone for 6 from 12. Islamabad 46 for 1.
The wrong one, yeah, didn't pick it. Ronke has been deceived with a very good
Luke Ronke goes for well played 58 off 36. It's 91 for 2.
Oh, and Soeb Maqsood with a sharp catch.
So it's that stage of the innings where he's got to accelerate even further. What a fine innings from Alex Hales, 46 from 33. It's 126 for 3.
Oh, it's carried. He didn't have to run too far either side. It went
flat and quickly, but straight into the big buckets of Pollard. Didn't have to move. And a good little innings from Talab, 36 of 21, 164 for 4.
He's gone for it big. He's gone for it, and he's going to pay. And Samit Patel.
Well, the informed player for the Multan Sultans. He has to go. Alec hail him. Sangakkara goes for 1. It's 2 for 1.
Is the new bat. Oh, hello, this could be gone.
Yeah. Right thing. He does the right thing and says, I'm sorry, that's dead.
Really good decisions in this match so far. He's got a golden duck. Unfortunate end to him. It's 2 for 2 now.
Well, he hasn't really caught hold of this because it's Ahmed Shahzad who's going back.
For the Sultans, not what they wanted. The 3rd wicket within the par for Islamabad. The big player, Ahmed Shahzad, goes for 3. It's 20 for 3.
So Butt now, first over, and he's taken to the onside. He just hasn't found that form.
Couldn't get on top of. A little bit of extra bounce and a good catch. Leaping up, 20 for 4. He's out for 13.
Oh, ball! Shoaib Malik has been castled.
And Malik has gone. Is that the hopes of Multan Sultans? Gone out for 12, 50 for 5.
Indeed.
It's gone up. Who wants it? JP too many calls. There's the 6th nail in the coffin.
Whiteley looking for the maximum. Was a little bit slower. Had to just hold the shot a little bit. My bad. Whiteley doesn't impress with the bat. He's gone for 11. It's 90 for 6.
Watch out. Watch out for Pollard. Oh, I think the non-striker that ball and shattering the stumps at the... Here it comes, a flick and disaster. Pollard has been
United sire huge, and that's a huge wicket. I did a brilliant job. He's out for 73, 148, 42 for 8.
There's another big shot. This should be taken. Who's called for it? And so the innings is falling apart now.
Wanted to hit it the same way, just couldn't get the connection he wanted. And Asif Ali, very easy. It went really high, but he's a well-judged catch. He's out for 10, 148 for 9.
The last over, 1 for 30, and his 3-0 bowled in the Multan Sultans.